Hello, welcome back to another episode of My Lost World. So, last episode we pretty much went exploring, and this episode we'll find a way home, which I think's over here. We need a horse, and we're gonna call him Pickle. Yep, I've decided we're gonna get a horse. Not in this episode, maybe next episode. I'm gonna call him Pickle. Don't know why, just came to mind Pickle. We're nearly back to the house. I think. Zombie. A zombie. What have I got on this? Nope. Nope, no time. Sharpness one and knockback. Yeah. Ooh, Enderman. Enderman. No, 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 no. Don't die, don't die, don't die. No, Enderman, Mr. Enderman, where are you? No, skunk can go away. You're not seeing Mr. Skunk, I'm getting attacked by an Enderman. Well, attacking an Enderman. I should really not have done that. No. This Enderman looks at me, I'm dead. It's just usually how I kill it, but still. Yeah, I think I got away. Nothing as cute as I didn't. We go bang. There's the butcher there. Just not enough of that Enderman. I think we're nearly home. There we go. We'll see the house in here. Why the shell? I really don't like the house, man. Why did I have to build it in such a rubbish area? We need a better house. Or we need to add on to the house. But to be quite fair, I think it's fine for now because it's mainly just a base till we go and get stuff so, but I'm not going to try not do much mining in the episodes just because it's boring. Like, I wouldn't like watch someone just mine. It's just, why? When you're doing it yourself, it's okay because you're just like, oh, here's this, here's that. I've got things now. When you're watching someone else do it, it's like, why? I'm bored now. You know what I mean? Sleep. I don't know why I've got two beds. I think it's because I welcome guests all the time. But yeah, I want my shears back. Franco, come again. I'm very racist, sorry. No, it's not. I was just being Mr. Armed from the shop down the road. Which is going to be a load of monsters. When it monsters, I monsters. Well, I want to call you Fish. We need two horses. We need one fish. Or Frank. Frank, Fish, and Pickle. Now then, how the hell did you get up there? Come on, Mold. Seems like my shear and sheep turn around does look like half the sheep have got wool again. Oh, you're off, aren't you, sheep? How the heck did you get up there? Yeah, normally your sheep have grown, so I ain't got any thing on this. So hopefully I'm gonna be able to. No, how are you getting out? Like you can die. You shouldn't have run away. You're not allowed to run away. It's a sheep pen for a reason. It's got sheep net. You're just teleporting out of it, man. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna get some more fence. Sorry about killing me sheep. They're just annoying. They shouldn't run away. It's got a lovely little home. Oh god, I've got 5. Really 5? I should have more. Where's all my balls? I know because as soon as I use these I want to find loads of it. Right, there's a stack. Say I wouldn't have checked in there usually, but seeing I'm gonna be there, might as well grab. Where's it? No, someone stole it. Somebody stole my. Forgot what I'm looking for. Wheat. Where's my wheat? Wheat. No, not in that one. Right, this one. It's hit that. Always do it. Right, there we go. Just get rid of that and get that stack. Because we're gonna end up see there's one. How he's getting out? Beep. Need to be there. I need to be here. And you move. And maybe not. Now you're gonna make us do it the hard way, Mr. Sheep. And come on, da, 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 da. Yeah, it's gonna let us go round. I wonder if I'll get freer. Say to just running around wherever I feel like it. And sometimes my sheep should behave. I want you to be good sheep. Why is always at the doorway? Like, move away, sheep. I need to fill all this in right. You're not gonna go back in on it, so just can go once more. This should quickly be able to put this in. That's what I didn't want to do. No man, get down. No go. Why? Just why? He's not getting anything out of the game. It's like annoying. Well, I deserve a trophy for putting down the worst fences ever. With balls. And that can go there. There we go. We've got a nice little sheep pen now. And so much gold we can get off these. And read all these quickly. I haven't been talking much about. Well, we've got a lot of sheep. How much wool have we got? No, a stack of blue. I'm gonna build some of blue. I think I might make. I might do what the Stampy's doing on what's Hughes is he doing? Cave then. I might make the boxes. Of mine, I'll do mine is slightly different. Instead of just doing the boxes for each animal, I'll do a box for each colour animal. So obviously blue will be first because I want most blue. So that's going to be some big thing for to do. Yeah, we still need quite a bit more. Wasn't blue? I think I could start making box. What size? I'm starving here. I'm starving. I need food. I think I really need to get a load of this fella. I don't want to war on. How many levels have I got? What have I got that way? Can you enchant shears? You can, but it's not letting. We've got some books in here. Where are them books, man? This chest here? Nope. This chest. Nope. This chest? No. Where the? There they are. But first, let's see how much iron I've got. Because I might be able to get that sharpness one onto a new sword, so nope. Forgot what I was looking for. Iron. Iron. So bit that I've got in here. Just chuck that in. I'll go one called blocks to do it. They'll go. How many do you need to make a anvil? So 9, 18, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 is it? And how much have we got? I've got enough, so we need to find something to do first, so oh, you're burping. Right, yawning, burping, sort of, I'm not sure what it is. I think we should start making a really cartoony little house down there where it's nice and flat. Come on. Come on. No. We're gonna die. I don't know why I got my skin as a zombie. Oh, because I was playing this game with the zombie. I need some like big flat desert. That could be pickle. We've left the satellite home. I think he has good. Looks like it's going to be this long. It's going to take a lot of wool. We could even make this into a sheep, and I think, yeah. Because I know we need basically 2 walls. Then you just have them going across. See the blue sheep, we're going there. And it's not much else I can do actually this episode. I think when you sleep, when you're smelting something, I think you should go faster. Because if you're asleep, it's often you're gonna be asleep, like you're sleeping at night away, but it's noon to out for to what you're melting, so smelting. Where's the iron block? Is that? I'll go 1, 2 iron block. So we need not that many more, actually. How many more do we need? 9, 10 more. I can't. There we go. I think that's enough for a lot of my challenge. Really wanna. I'm so impatient. I wanna block things. Instead of going a wall, we need to add a couple of blocks. 4. I need a cake, yeah, I like cake. Like pumpkin pie best. Like, pumpkin pie. One more bit of go. I didn't think we'll get this done this episode, but we'll have. We're pushing it over the time, but I've it's 20 minutes long. I think it's better when I sometimes 7:15, sometimes 7:20. It's a bit more of a surprise. It's a surprise when you come on. Why should I put it here? I think it's good. Well, let's see if I can use that. So can I put it? Can I put it there? Yeah. So that was fine. I would rather have a fresh diamond sword and put that. I'd put it in there first. Or am I just make a diamond? How many diamonds I got? 4. Well, this enchantment will be good enough. You know, you don't make diamond swords with an enchantment table. I've been playing for ages and I don't know how to make sword. Wait, let's get the 5. What is it? I don't know what that does. Then it will just chuck that in and that in. Yeah, 6. That's only 6. No, that only give her. Oh, wait, give her knockback as well. Don't worry. No, what knockback? No, knockback. Oh, I put on the wrong bloody sword. No, what happened to the book? It hasn't counted for anything. No, what's happened? It ripped it off. Oh, no way. Wait, I'm going there for now. I want to feel so very normal, thank you. What if I never got on this? None. So I'm gonna go and get. It's night straight away for some reason on this map. Right, sheep type. I've got my shield. Yep. Can I fit through a door? Have I got any tie actually? I haven't got any yellow sheep. Oh, I don't want yellow sheep. I'm not gonna use yellow yet. Now, hello, Mr. Sheep. How did you get there? Please be at least 2 sheep left. Oh, there's a couple more. I think there's more than 2. Say 200. Oh wait. Here we go. So, oh. You, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Oh, to me. So, we're gonna go out. I think all them ship, it feels like we've got nothing. I don't think we've got enough. Check that in. I know I'm using it.